y Taff, which is itself judged to be barely adequate, in the words of the Labour Education Minister. Or the alternative, privatisation. And the Labour backbenchers seem to accept this like sheep, except they can't even and don't even bleat for Wales. Now, Leighton Andrews says that he doesn't run education in Merthyr, in Pembrokeshire, Huron Anglesey, in Monmouth or Blaenau Gwent, all the failed authorities so far in Wales. But the pupils, parents and public in Wales do think that our national government and our minister should take responsibility for education services in those failed authorities and should improve education services for the good of all of Wales. This is not leadership, this is dereliction of duty. Because we do know what makes the difference in education. It's not rocket science. Or rather it is, because rocket science is actually quite simple at its most basic. You take an alkaline, like bicarbonate of soda, and an acid, like vinegar, and you agitate them, and you create gas that can send a plastic bottle into the sky. That's what we do in the foundation phase, I think. In the same way, we need to take early intervention directly with struggling families, resources and specialists directed in the classroom to help children who are falling behind with their education and literacy in particular, and free up the teachers to lead in their own schools. And you will see standards. If not rocket, you will see them improve and go up in Wales. Do we know this? Because international comparisons tell us this. And we know this because best practice shows us this. And we know also that you cannot deliver a curriculum in Wales, no matter how good the content of that curriculum, if the pupils receiving the curriculum don't have the necessary literacy skills. Literacy is the key to the rest of the curriculum. And we also know that the Labour government has failed to address the poverty in Wales that is holding back the attainment of many of our young people. So that's what the Plaid Cymru government will do. We won't be fining parents for the fact that their children have missed school, because we'll already have been working for months and years with those families to get the additional help that they need when we identify the problems and we identify why their children are struggling in school. Because you cannot have a successful, thriving economy with an education system that is dysfunctional, which lets the poorest children down, and which can't compete internationally. Because perhaps Labour's greatest failure is to judge them by what they say they want to do themselves. And Labour say that poverty in Wales is a key task for them. They say that they want to address poverty in Wales, that they will tackle poverty in Wales. And yet poverty under Labour has gone up, the gap has gone up under richer and poorer, particularly under the previous Labour Westminster government, and the failure to address attainment by our poorest students has worsened in Wales, not got better. So though we hear reshuffle rumours all the time in the Assembly, I would say to the First Minister, don't sack the Education Minister, don't promote him, keep Leighton Andrews in his job, and let's see if Labour can deliver for once on what it wants to do for education in Wales. Let's have no more buck passing, no more bullying, no more blaming. Let's see Labour take responsibility for the education system in Wales and really deliver on attainment. Because Plaid Cymru in opposition is positive.